Now 7th question. An image of height 4 cm is placed at a distance of 6 cm. So height of the image, height of the object given. Height of the object given. H is equal to 4 cm. So that is 4. It is positive itself. Next, placed at a distance of 6 cm means object distance. U is equal to negative 6 cm. Okay. Then focal length. It is a concave mirror. Focal length is 18 cm. Focal length F is equal to, concave mirror means negative 18 cm. Don't forget to take negative. Okay, then find the position, nature and size of the image. Same type of problem. So we can write image distance V is equal to question mark. Then position and nature means magnification. M is equal to question mark. Okay, so first you have to use the formula. We know 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. So therefore 1 by V is equal to 1 by F minus 1 by U. So 1 by F here negative 18 minus 1 by negative 6. So it is better negative, take it outside. Then 1 by 18 minus 1 by 6. So here 18 is the LCM. So 1 by here 3. Whole negative will come, isn't it? So negative of negative 2 by 18, that is equal to negative become positive. So 1 by 9. Therefore V is equal to 9 centimeter. So that is the answer. V is equal to 9 centimeter. Okay, so here 1 by V is equal to 1 by F minus 1 by U, that is equal to 1 by negative 18 minus 1 by negative 6. So that is equal to negative of 1 by 18 minus 1 by 6 because negative is common. Now negative common into 1 minus 3 divided by 18. So that is equal to negative of negative 2 by 18. That is negative and negative become positive. So 1 by 9. So V is equal to 9 centimeter. So we got image position. Now magnification. Magnification M is equal to minus V by U, that is equal to H dash by H, because here H also given. So we can find H dash. Okay, so that is equal to negative V by U means negative 9 by, here V is 9 and negative 18. U is negative 6. Negative 6. Here object distance is negative 6. Okay, so negative and negative become positive. 9 by 6 means 3 by 2, isn't it? So 1.5. So what is the nature? Nature of image, it is virtual and erect. Virtual and erect. Then 1.5 times enlarged. Virtual and erect, and 1.5 times enlarged. But here we can find the height of image by using the formula M is equal to H dash by H. So therefore H dash is equal to, what you will get, M into H. M is equal to 1.5. H is equal to 4 centimeter. So what will you get? 6 centimeter, isn't it? So this will be the height of the image. Is it clear? So this is the way of doing the 7th problem. Is it clear to you? So here nature of the image is virtual and erect. Then height of the image also we can find by using the formula h dash by h, because here h is given, isn't it? So 1.5 into 4, that is equal to 6 centimeter, and represent it with a diagram. I think it is asked, isn't it? Yes. So how will you represent it? Here height of the object is equal to 4 and object distance -6, focal length f 18 centimeter. So what will be the position? Focal length 18 means the object is between f and p, isn't it? Between f and p, concave mirror produces virtual and erect image when the object between f and p, because magnification positive, so virtual and erect, isn't it? So object position is between f and p, so image will form behind the mirror, that means positive, isn't it? Image distance we got 9 centimeter, shows positive, that means on the right side. Is it clear? So last diagram you should draw, and while drawing the diagram I will show you. Just you should take the 6 centimeter and draw, means in a compass you should take 6 centimeter. So here P, then F, then C. Here you should keep the object and you should mark this as 6 centimeter. Okay, the measurement you should write here because it is already given in the problem. We are representing that problem in a diagram, isn't it? So then first not parallel, passing through the center of curvature you can draw, isn't it? Passing through the center of curvature, retraces same path. Then next one at the pole, isn't it? So that also you can draw, and then it will appears to come from a point where the image is formed. So here this image distance is 9 centimeter. Okay, so you should write the measurement like this after drawing the diagram. Is it clear to you? This is the way of representing in a diagram.